Is React still the number one front-end framework in 2026? Or has it been overtaken by newer options like Vue, Angular, and Svelte? In this video, we'll break down whether React is still worth learning and using today. Intro. React has been the most popular front-end library for years. It's used by companies like Meta, Netflix, Airbnb, and Shopify. But with the rise of modern frameworks and AI-powered development tools, is React still the best choice? Let's find out. What is React? React is an open-source JavaScript library developed by Meta for building user interfaces. Instead of manipulating the DOM directly, React uses reusable components and a virtual DOM to create fast, interactive web applications. Today, React also supports modern features like hooks, concurrent rendering, server components, and works seamlessly with frameworks like Next.js. Pros. The biggest advantage of React is its massive ecosystem. You will find thousands of libraries, tutorials, UI components, and community resources. React is also highly flexible. You can build anything from small websites to large enterprise applications, and it integrates well with tools like TypeScript, Tailwind CSS, Vite, and Next.js. Another major benefit is job demand. React remains one of the most requested front-end skills by employers, making it a strong choice for developers looking to advance their careers. Cons. React isn't perfect. Since it's only a UI library, you will often need additional tools for routing, state management, and data fetching. The learning curve can also feel steep for beginners because the ecosystem changes frequently, and there are many ways to accomplish the same task. Verdict. So is React still the number one choice in 2026? For most developers, yes. If you are building modern web applications or looking for the best job opportunities, React remains one of the safest and strongest choices. However, if you prefer an opinionated framework with more built-in features, Angular or Vue may be better fit for your workflow. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you decide whether React is right for you, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other front-end framework comparisons. And that's all, and see you in a new video.